So here is how to unblock someone on Facebook. You can do it both from the web or from the app. And I will be using the app. So let's first open up the Facebook application on the phone. Once you're in the app, you need to go over to the top left corner and select the menu option from right here. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy on the bottom. Then scroll down and select the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, you will get to see all of these options available. Scroll down and find the option that says blocking. Once you find it, tap on it. This is where you'll be able to view all the contacts that are blocked from your Facebook. Just tap on Unblock on whichever one that you want. After that, tap on Unblock again in order to confirm. This way, you can unblock anyone that you want. And that's it. That is exactly how to unblock someone on Facebook.